back, Touring and Trails. I'm your host, Jim. Today, we're at the Sahara Desert. Hey, hello. Look, you never know who you're going to find when you're in the Sahara. Found some people we know. Looking for a camel. Have you seen my camel? It's over here somewhere. So I want to give a special shout out to all of our viewers and subscribers from the Middle East. And just to let you know, our sand dunes are better than yours. Prove me wrong. Check this thing out. This is insane. Tell me what you think about this. If you like sand dunes, give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Share this video. This is just awesome. America. Get out and see it. Share it with those that can't get out and enjoy it. Because this is an amazing place. Alright, come see, come saw, time to go. Gotta go see if I can find a campsite before they all fill up. Water! I need water! I need my camel. I just came back from the top. Yeah. All the way over. 20 miles in the sand. Anybody, yes, in this blazing heat you can see coming through the clouds. On Medano Pass at the Great Sand Dunes. We'll have to see how this one is. If we can do it in the Tremor. That's how you do it in the rain. Hobo canopy system on the Medano Pass with the Great Sand Dunes in the background. A little rain ain't gonna stop any of us. So after a day of wheeling, we found a place to park, get some food going, because we're all starving. We've earned our meal today. Lots of walking, including that little hill there. 10 times already back and forth. Cold and rainy. Not used to that after being 105-degree heat. Let's see what we got to eat. Alright, we got the tent set up on a pretty awesome campsite. Got Miss Dee Dee over there bundled up.
Yes, it's cold.
Got
It's
this.
not that cold, but it's
Look
chilly.
at the roots on this crazy tree. Wow. A little windy and dry for a fire, so we can't enjoy the fire pit. Got the bear box. Yeah, just look at the view. Got some more campers over yonder. Give you a good full panoramic view. See in the distance, there's the Tremor and the Jeep. It'll be a chilly night. We went from probably 90 degrees last night to 45, 40 tonight maybe. Yeah, just check this out. Just amazing. You can hear in the distance a little stream running back there. If you look real close between that little opening, you can see that little stream, mountain stream.